Imagine a discovery so groundbreaking ... It wasn't made by human eyes or even by a team of world-renowned astronomers. It was made by artificial intelligence, quietly, tirelessly scanning the endless canvas of the universe. NASA did something extraordinary. It discovered a new planet before humans even knew it existed. While we sleep, while we dream, machines are out there, not just working for us, but working with us, expanding the very boundaries of what we know. For centuries, astronomers pointed their telescopes to the skies, hoping for a glimpse of the unknown. They dedicated years, even lifetimes, to mapping the stars, and now, in a moment of awe-inspiring synergy between human innovation and machine precision, we've unlocked a whole new chapter. The AI, trained on mountains of space telescope data, wasn't distracted, tired, or limited by human senses. It wasn't looking for what it expected to find. It was open to every anomaly, every faint flicker of light, every subtle shift among the stars. Its patience is infinite, its vision is flawless. It found the telltale sign, a distant planet orbiting a faraway star, too subtle for human detection. A new world, hidden in the cosmic tapestry, revealed because of an algorithm, because of a dream that humanity dared to dream. This isn't just about technology. It's about possibility. It's about us realizing that we're not alone in the universe, and that our reach, once limited to the range of our eyes, now stretches across galaxies. It's about believing that the tools we built can achieve the dreams we once thought were impossible. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing human curiosity, it's amplifying it. It's taking our greatest hopes and giving them wings. It's taking the unimaginable and making it real. Just think about it. A planet we didn't even know existed is now real to us. It has a name, a story, a place in the grand cosmic ballet. Because we dared to build, to teach, to imagine, and to trust the power of human creativity expressed through code, through neural networks, through the boundless spirit of discovery. This isn't the end, it's the beginning. The universe is speaking, and now, finally, we're learning to listen in ways we never could before. Today, it's one planet. Tomorrow, it could be life, a new home, an answer to the oldest questions we've ever asked. Are we alone? How far can we go? What will we find next? The future isn't just out there among the stars. It's here, right now, in the minds that build, the machines that learn, and the dreams that never stop growing. The stars have been waiting, and now, we are finally ready to meet them.